So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my electronics collection for 50 subs. So yeah, I'm very thankful for the 50 subs I got. I'm very grateful, and let's push our channel to 100 subscribers for a new video. Well, not a new video, I mean like a new celebration video. So yeah, let's go. So this box right here is filled with a bunch of transistors and ICs, like this MOSFET module, and we also have more MOSFETs here, and we have SCRs, got BJTs in here. We also got this triac and integrated circuits in here, and yeah, that's all for this one. Put right on there. So this box right here is filled with random stuff, like just like wires here, and some bags and pencils and a random chapstick here. So there's nothing much in here. I guess yeah, that's all on that one. And this one is a special box, and it's filled with LEDs, like this matrix display and this 7-segment, single digit 7-segment display. It's buttons, like this button, breadboard buttons, and some potentiometers. You have an active buzzer, passive buzzers, diodes, photo transistors, and an IR LED. And for this one, we have an OLED display. We have regulators. These are linear regulators. We have ceramic capacitors. We have dip switches. We got inductors too, and we also have a high voltage ceramic capacitor. This one can handle 15 kilovolts. 12-ball switches, Schottky diode, and a fuse, and some crystal oscillators and ceramic resonators, and that's all on that one. And for this one, we got ceramic capacitor, not ceramic, I mean film capacitors. God, what am I on, bro? And we also have this, which is an LED module I soldered. This one is an LM3 comparator module. We also have an HC05, which is a Bluetooth model. We also got this IO remote, and we have this unused IC I got from a DVD player. We also got a TP4056 charging module. We have a resistive plate for detecting water. We also have some limit switches and rocker switches and washers. And what else? Let's see. Oh, we have a diac here. That one. We also have this IO receiver. Wait, let me. There we go. And then we also have some relays. This one, the relays. And we have some NTC thermistors, LEDs, and more LEDs. And yeah, that's all for this one. We also have a keypad here, which is under that. Let me clean this up real quick. Alright, we'll go to the bottom. Here we have a servo tester. We have some servo arms. We have an RC522, which is an RFID module. I like this very much. We also have an H-bridge module, which is an what's it called again? L91110. No, it's an L9110, yeah. And then next we have some servos. We have the SG90, MG90S, and 360 version of the SG90. We have more relays, which is just modules. We have an HCSR04, which is an ultrasonic sensor. We also have a PIR sensor. We also have a DHT11, which is a temperature plus humidity sensor. We have a, what is it called again? TTP223, which is a capacitive touch sensor. We have a joystick. We have a sound sensor, which is the FC14 if I'm wrong. We also have this IR sensor, and we got this TM, what's it called again? Wait, it's called the TM1637, and this 4-digit 7-segment display. We also have a card and a key fob for the RC522, and an I2C LCD. Look at that. And I think that's all for this box here. I also forgot to mention that I also got a fuse here and buzzers. Some buzzers. Look, here's an active buzzer and passive buzzer, like that one. And yeah, I think that's all for this one. Next we got this, which is a box full of random items as well. We got wires, which is a male-to-male DuPont wires, and we got some female-to-male DuPont wires. We also got some active buzzers. This is what's it? This one. This one is a continuous one. I think it's a continuous one. And this one is an intermittent one. We still got some battery boxes right here. And this part we got a battery, some battery holders there. We got more USB charging cables here. We got data cables for my Arduino boards. We have some wheels and a random Lego brick separator for something, I guess. So yeah, this one's just random items. And now we are going to the fun part. So this one right here, we got some Arduino. This is Arduino Nano, and this is Arduino Uno. And we also have a volt plus ammeter here. I'm going to use this more on my overvolting ions videos. Yeah. We also have some transformers. This is let me get first. So this one is a center tap transformer. It can do 9 volts AC and 18 volts AC from the secondary, which is here. The two wires are the outer ones, and this yellow one is the center tap. We also have this big one. It's also a transformer. I got this from a DVD player. It can do 20 volts, around 20 volts AC, and around 7 volts AC in this one. And we also got a heat sink. This is a big heat sink I also got from the DVD player. And under this box we got some BJTs here. This bag is all BJTs, including signals to up to power ones. This one is a bag of capacitors. It's very big. I have tons of capacitors here. I have the normal electrolytic ones, and under this one, look here, there's some full flash caps. I don't think you can see it, but there's one here. I'm going to showcase that probably in the next video. You also have resistors, and we have a USB, not USB, I mean jack connectors. This is a female one. And we also have some more potentiometers. There's a lot of them. I have a lot of potentiometers. I also got a 9-volt battery connector to male jack connector. Yeah. We also have some ceramic resistors. I'm going to plan on buying more of them because I only have the 1 kilo ohm version. And yeah, that's all for this box. I'm going to close that up. For this one, we have just tools. So this is a multimeter. You also have cables for the multimeter and for my power supply unit, which is this one right here. And We also got a wire stripper. This is very useful. I've been using this for a lot of times to strip my wires. And we also have a random wheel here. And that's all for this one. We also have a screwdriver, small one. And yeah, that's all for this one. And this one is full of random items as well. I got this stepper motor, a voltmeter which has a wire came off on that. I don't really use it anymore. Use it. We also have to have this fan. So 12 volts fan. So a very small fan. I have the big one, but it's already broken. We also have some switches. This is from the DVD player as well. We have this switch and this switch. And this one, we have a boost converter, which is the XL6009. This is a buck converter, which is the LM2596. I've been using this for over voltage one, which is this one. And we also have another relay module, but this is different. This is a timer relay module, so you can set the time it wants to be on, or you can set like a loop to make it click on and off. We also have a bunch of more caps here. We have 2.2 millifarads, we have 4.7 microfarads, we have 10 microfarads, 100 to 220 microfarads, and this big one, which is 10 millifarads. And yeah, this can deliver tons of energy. And that's all. But this one, for this one, well, it's just some random stuff. This is a bag of alligator cables. I cannot see, I can open them. Yeah, see, here's some alligator cables here. This is for this is some soldering pump. We have a lithium ion battery, and we also have this aluminum foil. Well, I bought this because for experiments, but I found out this is such a waste because it's not conductive. We also have this charging, also TP456, but I just made it more convenient for now. We also have this thingy, which is a DIY reed switch. I also have some USB cables that I cut off so I can power stuff from my power bank. And we also have this, which is a USB to micro SD card, which is for my DF Player Mini, which I'm going to show in this video. And I think that's all. Yeah. And another last one, which is just an OTG cable, not cable, I mean adapter, so I can code my Arduinos with my phone. And the last part is my what's it calling, coil items, if I'm wrong. Yeah, it's just my electronics that have coils in it. Oh my god, this is a speaker, 8 ohm, 2 watts. This is also a speaker. It's rated for 8 ohms as well, but it's 1 watt. And this is the DF Player Mini. And I can eject this micro SD card or put it back on. And I have some breadboards. This is a small one, this is a mega one. I also have this regulator, which is the MB102. It has a built-in 5 volts and 3.3 volt regulator. And these are motors. I have this RS385 motor, also this 380 motor, and some other DVD motors, like this one. This one I got from a DVD. All of these are DVDs, by the way. So this is a RF310. This is the RF500, and I modified the shaft to fit in on a Lego shaft. This is the RF300, also RF300, and also RF300. And these are electrical tapes. And I think that's all. And as for a bonus, I also got this random vacuum fluorescent display from a DVD player as well. I'm trying to control this by using my Arduino, but I need some more research. And this thing is very rare. So we have like the buttons, we have the onboard LED, and there's also an IR receiver in here, but I took it because I want to use it for other projects. So anyways, that's all for my electronics collection. I'm planning forward to make more electronics videos, and I'm also going to plan to continue my learning electronics with Rakes. That's it, I guess. So goodbye.